Good evening, class. Once again, my name is Ajibare Blessing. Don't forget the channel you are watching is Start Math with a video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and send our video to others so that they can watch our video and gain more enlightenment. Now, the topic of today is ecology. Ecology. What do we understand by ecology? First of all, ecology is derived from a Greek word, means Oikos. Oikos. What do we understand by Oikos? Oikos means dwelling, household, and habitat. Dwelling, household, and habitat. Why logos? Means study. That's ecology. In a nutshell, we can say ecology is the study of a dwelling place. Ecology is the study of an household, or ecology is the study of an habitat. But ecology is one of the major branches in biology. Now, ecology is the study of living organisms with each other, living organism and environment. Now, how do organisms relate with their environment? Now, let us say plant and animal. Some of the herbivores feed on plants, and while human beings will feed on some of the animals, like dog will feed on flesh at times. So that's why we are called omnivore. Now, ecology deals with two things. We have organism and their environment. Environment are the non-living thing, while the organism are the living thing. We deal with organism and environment. What are organisms? Organisms are living organisms are life consisting things. They are the things that consist life, and one of their properties is that they grow and reproduce. That's why they are termed as what? Organism, because they contain life, they grow and they reproduce. Now, what example of organism? We have tick, we have dog. We have tick, we have dog, etc. We have a lot of them. Now, organism, environment. What of the environment? Environment are the physical aspect that we can feel, we can see, we can touch. And environment is split into two. We have abiotic and biotic. Lest I forget, in organism, one of the things that ensures growth and reproduction in organism is environment also. You ask me why? Why do environment ensures growth and reproduction in organism? When organisms feed on things that are in the environment, for example, plant is one of the environment. Now, the organisms that feed on plants will grow. So it's one of the environment. Now, the abiotic under environment are the non-living things. They are the physical things in the environment. One of them is soil. We have temperature, which is the degree of coldness and hotness. You have climate change, and we have wind. Now, the biotic, they are the living component. They are the living component in the environment. And one of the example, we have microorganism. That's under microfauna. We have one of the living organisms, we have plants. That's under flora. We have higher plants are classified under flora, while lower plants are classified under microflora. Vertebrate organisms, they are the one that possess organisms, they are the organisms that possess backbone. So in this sense, they are known as fauna rather. But the micro ones are known as microfauna. They are the ones that possess non-backbone. They are the invertebrate. They do not possess backbone. Now, we are moving to the subdivision of ecology. What are the subdivision of ecology? We have animal ecology and plant ecology. We have animal ecology and plant ecology. Animal ecology, this is the study of the population of animal in an environment in relation. This is the study and the population of animal in relation to their environment. Like for example, the total population of cow, the total population of dog, the total population of sheep, the total population of tick, the total population of flies in relation to their environment, how they relate with their environment. Either they surpass, either they increase their environment, or they reduce the rate at which their environment improve. Now we have the plant ecology. Plant ecology is the total population of plants in relation to a given environment. The total population of plants, maybe grasses, we have trees, we have some trees that are very thick with broad leaf with tiny leaf, such like that. And we are moving to branches of ecology. Branches of ecology. We have two branches of ecology. We have synecology and we have ontology. Now, what do synecology mean? Synecology is the study of group of animal or a community of animal in relation to their environment. Don't forget, groups of animal, like in a situation whereby maybe in a farmland whereby they are rearing cows, they are rearing sheep, they are rearing dog, they are rearing lot of animals. Now there are groups of animals in relation to their environment. Now ontology is the study of a species of animal in relation to their environment. They give energy, they give strength. Take for instance, we have herd of cows. Now when cows are moving, they move in herds. Now that's a given species, that's just one species in relation to their environment. Now we have some principles of ecology. That's principle of ecology. Principle. Wow. This is group. This is just a given species. This is groups. This is a given species. Don't forget. Now, principle of ecology. You have principle The principle of ecology says that the production is based on the ecological processes and recycling. How the production based on ecological processes and recycling? Now, ecology don really base on this only. Ecology is very broad. Maybe in our next class we talk about a lot more in ecology. We have habitat, we have biomass, we have feeding. There are some feeding in ecology. Some of them are saprophytic feeding, mutualism, commensalism, etc. But in our next class we talk about it. Now, the principle of ecology say that the process is based on the product and the recycling. The product given in an ecology system, that's ecosystem, between maybe plant and animal and their environment, the product given, they are recycling again. Now let me take animal and the composer as a case study. Take for instance, when an animal die, take for instance a dog die right now. A dog, it die right now. Nobody to carry it or to eat it. He died by an accident. So the dog will decay. Do you get it? The dog, after decaying, after the dog must have decayed, it will serve as manure for plant to take again. So that's why it serves as recycling. Nothing is waste in an ecosystem. There is nothing waste in an ecosystem. Likewise also in the ecology. Because they interact to improve their environment. Now, ecology also follow a pattern, and the way of their species are limited to their life processes. You get it? The way of their species is limited to their life processes. Take for instance, you can't put a fish on the ground. The dwelling place of a fish is what? Is water. So fish can never survive. So that's why the way of their life is limited to their species. We've come to the end of the class. Don't forget, the channel you are watching is Start Math with video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. If there is any question, don't forget to comment down below. Love you. See you next time.